Introduction to Automating Cloud File Backups.
Do you want peace of mind knowing your cloud files are always protected? Learn how to use Integromat, now known as Make.com, to create a seamless, automated backup process for your important cloud storage folders. This tutorial shows you how easy it is to schedule backups, making sure your data is always safe.
Getting started with Make.com.
First, create a free account on Make.com. Once signed in, you can start building scenarios. These are automated workflows that connect your cloud storage services. Make supports popular platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and more, letting you automate tasks between them without any coding.
Setting up your backup scenario.
Mark to automate backups. Start by clicking Create a new scenario. Add your preferred cloud storage app as the trigger, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Select the event that starts your backup, for example, a new file being added or at a scheduled time. Then, add another storage service or location as the destination.
Configuring the automation steps.
Customize the scenario by specifying which folders and files to back up. You can filter specific file types, set rules for copying or moving, and choose how often the backup runs. Use the built-in scheduler to set daily, weekly, or custom intervals, ensuring backups happen exactly when you need them.
Testing and activating your backup routine.
Before relying on your scenario, always test it. Make.com allows you to run your backup flow manually to check for errors or missing files. Once you're confident it works correctly, activate the scenario. Your files will now be automatically backed up to your chosen location based on your set schedule.
Benefits of automated cloud backups.
With automated backups, you eliminate worries of losing valuable data to accidental deletions or system failures. Using Make.com's flexible integrations, you can back up files across multiple services, streamline your workflow, and maintain an extra layer of protection, all without manual effort.
Final tips for secure backups.
Remember to review your backup settings regularly and update access permissions for maximum security. Make sure both your source and destination cloud storage accounts are secure and use strong passwords. With these best practices and Make.com, your automated backup system will give you reliable, hassle-free protection.